I am going to start my performance with Rag Bahar. Rag Bahar is a very popular springtime raga, and it is associated with springtime or Basant, as we say in Hindi. It is originated from Thaat Kafi, that means Gandhar and Nishad are Komal, and all other notes or swars are Shuddha. And Bahar has both Nishad, Komal and Shuddha. And in Aroha we take Shuddha Nishad, and in Avraha Komal Nishad is there. And during springtime, though it may be sung at any time of the day, its Gana Samay or singing time is considered as midnight. And according to Vadi Samvadi theory, the Vadi swar is Madhyam and Samvadi is Shadja. And since Rishabh is skipped in Aroha, like Sa, Sama, Ma, Pa, Ga. So Rishabh is skipped in Aroha, and while coming back in Avraha, Dhaivati is skipped. Sa, Ni, Sa, Ni, Pa, Ni, Ma, Pa, Ga, Ma, Re, Sa. So the jati is Shadav Shadav, and though Bahar has a limited improvisational potential, this raga has only basic phrases like Sama, Ma, Pa, Ga, Ma, Pa, Ga, Ma, Re, Sa, Sama, Ma, Pa, Ga, Ma, Ga, Ma, Ni, Da, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Pa, Ni, Ma, Pa, Ga, Ma, Re, Sa. These are like building blocks for melody for Rag Bahar. And I'm going to sing a traditional bandesh in Rag Bahar. So now Chalan and a very traditional bandesh. Now I am going to present Rag Basant Bahar. Basant Bahar, Bahar has been successfully combined with many other ragas to create compound ragas like Basant Bahar, Bhairav Bahar, Hindol Bahar. But this Basant Bahar is also sung in during the springtime, and it's combination of Basant and Bahar. It is consist of 12 notes like all Regadhani Shuddha, Regadhani Komal, and both Mas are there, like Shuddha Ma and Tivra Ma. Since Rag Bahar has Gani, Gandhar, Nishad, Komal and Madhyam Shuddha, and Basant has Gandhar, Nishad, Shuddha, sorry. Basant has Rishabh, Dhaivat, Komal and Ma Tivra. So both Mas from Basant and both Nishad from Bahar. It's combined, and then 12 Swar Rag, we can say, Basant Bahar. I just sang Rag Bahar. I'm going to explain about Basant. this is Basan and now Basan Bahar. So this was Basan Bahar. I'm going to talk about Rag Gara. Gara is a very rare rag, and it's not like not many musicians perform it. And Gara belongs to the family. It belongs to the family of ragas, which were apparently derived from folk melodies and entered art music in association with the Thumri genre. This family includes ragas like Pilu, Pahadi, Kafi, Man, and several others. Full khayal style presentation of Gara is not heard, and it's not that popular. So mainly it is used for film music or semi-classical, as I said, Thumri, Dadra, Kajri. And Rag Jaijavanti bears the closest resemblance to Gara, but it's mainly the combination of Khamaj, Pilu and Jhinjhoti. It's originated from Thaat Khamaj. It has both Gandhar, like Komal Gandhar and Shuddha Gandhar, and Komal Nishad and Shuddha Nishad. And its Gana Samay, or the singing time, is considered as from 9 p.m. onwards to until midnight. And now Aroha, Avroha and Chalan. Sa, Ni, Sa, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Ma, Re, Ga, Re, Ga, Re, Sa, Ni, Sa. Pakad. Ga, Ni, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Re, Ga, Re. Pa ma pa ga ma re ga re sa ni da ni pa da ni sa. Tana mana dana saba varu vari, tana mana dana saba varu. Tana Now let's talk about Rag Bhattiyar. Bhattiyar is a very popular morning raga. It's usually sung during the dawn time, and also known as Bhattiyari. And Bhattiyar belongs to the Marwa parent scale, one of the 10 scales under which Hindustani ragas are classified. So Bhattiyar has Komal Rishabh, and both Madhyams are there, and all other swars are Shuddha. And its Vishranti swar, we can say in Rag Bhattiyar are Sa, Ma, Pa and Dha. And these focal points place the raga center of melodic gravity in the mid-octave region, but tilting towards the upper tetrachord. And it's a very peaceful and pleasing to ears. So, Rag Bhattiyar. Asu